That's a nice fire right there. Good morning. We're gonna go hunting with this bad boy here. Oh yeah. No, this is a good spot right here. Moo. All right, we got to our camping spot. There's our tent over there. Right now, we're just gonna relax, read for a bit. We're gonna read and possibly make some food here in a bit. That's a nice fire right there. Ooh, nice and warm. Good morning. After we eat breakfast, we are gonna do some more reading, and then we're gonna climb all the way up there to the other side. The other side of that big old hill is a plain landscape, and that's where we're gonna go hunt. Let me show you where we're gonna hunt with. We're gonna go hunting with this bad boy here. This is a Ruger 1022. And we got some very nice rounds, actually. Let me show you the rounds we got. 22 long rifle, 40 grain, 1,435 feet per second, hyper velocity. We're gonna hunt squirrels in a bit. Now this is a nice place to read at. We're sitting here next to the stream, listening to the water.
I'm ready to go hunting where you are. Hey, handsome.
Hey.
What you doing?
We're loading up because we're gonna go squirrel hunting.
So where are you at?
Huh?
Where are you at today?
We are in Jemez.
Mm-hmm. We're by the Gilman tunnels. So we're gonna cross over this infrastructure and up those hills we go. Whoa, guys. Man, this is real slippery.
All right, we're gonna start hunting now. Look on the ground. Look in the trees. Continue to go forward a little bit longer, and hopefully we can see a squirrel. But I don't even hear them. Usually you can hear them in the trees throwing stuff, or they make a weird squealing noise. But
I think he got away.
what do you think is in there? Let's shoot a couple shots in there.
What you doing up there?
I don't know. We went the wrong way, but we'll make a way. All right. I know what it is. You know what it is. He did throw something at me. I thought it was a squirrel that threw something at me, because they do that. They throw stuff at you from the top. All right, so we're heading back now. There's no squirrels this year here in Jemez.
Do a sad face. So we ended up on opposite sides of our campground, but we're almost here.
Moo. Moo. Hey, buddy. Moo, 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 moo. Moo, 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 moo. All right, we're going to do some fishing. This is what I recommend for trout. Is the, it's like yellowish, greenish with yellowish and orange, like mixture. With glitter. This stuff works really well, guys. Really well for trout. They love that stuff. So this one's already ready, this fishing pole. Now we're gonna get the other one ready. Oh yeah, what we got going here?
Steak, mashed potatoes with sour cream, bacon, cheddar, and green chili, and sauteed mushroom.
Now this is a good spot right here. You see how the water just stays there? Right there's got to be some fish. Guaranteed. We got our line in there. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. We got our line in there. Let's see if we catch a fish. Now that is some good meat. Sauteed mushrooms with coconut oil. I recommend them.
Hey, handsome. What you doing? Night fishing.
Hopefully we catch some.
It's around 5:30 p.m., but it's already almost pitch black.
You turn on the light on it.
Oh yeah. Hello. So here we are at Spanish Queen in Jemez, New Mexico. We're gonna try a bit of night fishing. Let's see how that goes. Typically we catch quite a bit of fish in this area, but we've been here for a while and no bites yet. And there goes my love into the darkness. As you can see, I have a laser pointed to him. You're gonna probably ask why. Because this light belongs to our AR-15. Bye guys.